San Antonio are the Spurs, and the Spurs are San Antonio.
The city of San Antonio is a great place to play basketball. You know, I go back 3 eras. You go back to my era in the 70s.
Durbin, the Iceman.
You go to David Robinson era. And now you got Tim Duncan era, you know, in the 2000s. The fans are unbelievable. They're going to stick with them no matter what.
Go Spurs go, man. Spurs about to get it done.
You know, it's just the love that this city has for San Antonio Spurs.
This stop Alamo, next stop championship.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome live to the AT&T Center for the NBA Finals return to the Alamo City.
Gotta win. Gotta find a way to win. It's gonna be loud. They're gonna play well. Gotta find a way to win.
Pivotal Game 3 tonight. The Spurs have never trailed in any final series in their 4 previous championship runs.
Pressure every game. Every game is very important. Today's the biggest game of the series.
How important is this game? 35 times in NBA history, the finals have been tied at a game apiece. In 30 of those instances, the winner of Game 3 went on to become the champion.
Set the tone early.
Don't expect anything. We got to make it happen, fellas. Come on. Let's do it together. Come out there, do what we do, man. Together on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. NBA Finals, Game 3. Nothing could be better. Let's have a great night.
Left corner, Parker gets a screen from Duncan, rides the top. Ginobili on the right wing, fakes a 3, drives it inside. 2-hand slam, Manu Ginobili as he got past Wayne Wade.
And Ginobili's off to a good start offensively.
What do you say, Red?
LeBron left side, goes baseline, drives, gets in the air. Beautiful pass to Wade, cutting to the basket.
Spurs lead by 4 going into the second quarter. Your score, San Antonio 24, Miami 20. James quickly in the front court against Green. Out front, Miller will try a long 3. And that
three-pointer is good. Mike Miller, second straight finals game. He's 3 for 3 from downtown.
Oh, Gary, Tony told me to tell you, if you don't mind, don't ever leave Miller or Allen, no matter where they're at on the court, okay?
Now Parker with it. Bounce pass to Duncan. Duncan off the window, real easy. Duncan and the Spurs impressive here so far in Game 3. LeBron back at you. Missed that 3-pointer.
Rebound Duncan. Long lead pass to Leonard. He's only got Allen to beat. 2-hand slam. Kawhi Leonard. He beat everybody down the floor. Fans here on their feet chanting defense. LeBron James with the dribble out front.
James, hot step. Blocked by Green. Final seconds. Neal at the buzzer. Bang! That is a monster shot. And again, Miami Heat takes a step forward and then 3 steps backward. Kawhi Leonard, just wonderful defense.
We got to conquer the little things.
This is absolutely a mess for Miami.
Let's just do what we do. 4 or 5 possessions in a row.
What a hustle sequence for the San Antonio Spurs.
Until we do, we won't win this game.
Chalmers poked away, stolen by Leonard. Another steal from Kawhi Leonard.
Kawhi off the Manu, slam dunk with the left hand.
Explosive third quarter for San Antonio.
Great hand, great hand.
Rebound again, it's Leonard. Offensive terror on the glass. Green will try again. It's good. Danny Green.
Great job moving the basketball. All the shots are great. Let's feel confident, let them fly. Get your name in the paper.
You'll see this very deep 3. Very good 3. Gary Neal having the game of his life here in the NBA Finals.
Watch it, watch it.
Around a screen by Splitter, pull up 3.
Gary Neal putting on a show. A 21-point lead. He's got 24. This crowd is delirious. Allen tries to save it, does, but right to Splitter. Green tries a 3. Oh! Danny Green does it again. A virtuoso performance from Danny Green.
good. It was deep. It was 3, and it's an NBA Finals record. 15 threes made by the Spurs.
It is one of those magical nights for the San Antonio Spurs and a nightmare evening for Miami.
And the San Antonio Spurs have taken game 3.
The supporting cast for San Antonio, brilliant here tonight.
This league, I got comfortable, hit a couple shots, got lucky. My teammates found me. And, hopefully we can continue to shoot the ball as well as we did tonight. Hopefully, they continue to struggle.
They played very, very well for 48 minutes, and we only played well for pockets of the game. And, you can't beat a team this good playing that way.
Throughout the course of the whole season, I've always been aggressive. Coach Pop's always looking at me with his hands up like, what are you doing? That's how I've always played.
We've talked about that look. We've seen that look before.
Yeah, that's how I've always played. And when you're making shots, it's just another component to the team that's hard to game plan for.
They got everything they wanted, and that's going to result in a loss. So we got to regroup and figure out what we did wrong and get ready for game 4.